Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back. I am Crazed. We have another special thing here for you. We're going to be getting rid of our Tier 4 Wyoming. That's right, we're getting rid of it. What are we getting rid of it for? We are going to buy the Tier 5 New York. Now, to do this, we gotta sell the Wyoming. So, we're gonna sell it off. We are, again, going to send the commander to reserve and demount everything. So this means we're going to be able to put the same commander onto my new ship. So, let's go to our tech tree. We're going to look in good old US of A, and we are buying the New York class battleship. Commander, we don't need a commander, because we have one. And we're buying it. Awesome. Look at that. Alright, now we're going to assign commander from our Wyoming. Yes. We are going to retrain him. That way we keep all of our skills. Pretty cool. Alright, so now we're going to see what modules we have available here. So, main battery modification. That's my favorite. It makes it less likely that you're going to have a magazine detonation. Don't want any of that. And we have the damage control that we want to keep, so let's put it on there. And we have a new one here, so let's take a look. We got the A. Let's see, so A, maximum range. Main battery loading time and traverse speed. That's nice. And the firing range. I'm not so much worried about range. US have a close range. It's kind of between the modification 2 and the AA modification. Let's see. AA gets vastly improved with the next hull. I think we could go with the main battery modification. The reload is going to work more in different scenarios. So, that's it. Alright. Let's see how we do. Let's see how it goes. Alright. A bunch of tier 5s. Whole bunch of tier 5s. We've got a tier 6 aircraft carrier against us. Tier 6 Clevelands, but we've got two tier 6 Clevelands on our side. So that works. Alright, and we're into the game. Doing a little greeting here. I do like this map. It may not be the best for... I was gonna say, it may not be the best for carriers to go into that little shallow there. And you're right. Well, I'm right. And I'm gonna go through this gap here. Also gonna move my portrait here so you can see the map. There we go. Skysy and BB stick together to provide air cover. And he's not anywhere near us. And I seem to have knocked out my camera. Somehow. My camera is very finicky. So we're just going to go ahead and turn that off. There you go. Now you can see everything. Don't know why it does that. Sometimes it does. Whatever. Alright. Always, it's kind of a slow start. Just tried the cam again, it's still messing up. Not sure, sorry about that. I'm gonna switch over to AP rounds. AP is just the way to go for Tier 5 at this point. The only thing I really don't want to use AP on is destroyers. You know what, I'm actually rethinking. I think I'm gonna go support this gap here. So we're gonna take the time, we're gonna turn, get our turrets to turn in time. And we're gonna go in and support this gap. Hopefully our rear turrets turn around in time. To get an angle on this guy in here. They're still turning. Our friendly DD here drops smoke though. So that may hamper my efforts. This might all be for naught. We'll have to see how this goes. Oh, nope, we're good to go. Alright, here we go. And let's get the other turret on. Boom. Let's see how that looks.
Confirmed penetration.
That worked out pretty well. Alright. So my concern here is going to be the destroyer. I think we're going to turn away, and anything coming at me from the destroyer hopefully be nullified. I'm going to switch to HE after this. And boom.
Bullseye.
Not enough for a kill. That's fine. Let's get some repairs going. Alright. So that's what I was hoping for. Somebody else took care of that destroyer, or the cruiser. So now we want this destroyer. He has to have fired torpedoes at me by this point. There they are.
Target penetrated.
He'll hit one. You know what? I'm okay with that. I wrecked him pretty good. Oh, come on. Dodge that, dude. Wow. What a
Problem solved, sir.
That's just bad. I'm sorry, but that's just bad placement of frickin' torpedoes. Alright. Bad placement of torpedoes by my team. Alright, so we're gonna have hopefully a good shot on this dude. Let's see how this goes. Let's line this up. Come on, turret. Finish off. There we go. And boom. Those are going to be high explosive. Hey! And we set them on fire and broke some stuff, so that's always good. We're going to turn back around, so we're going to turn the turrets facing this way. Oh, that's not good. That's really not good. Turn, 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 turn. And they already dropped. Oh, turn more. Come on. Did the other drop? Nope. He's turning back. Alright. And now they've dropped. I might be able to dodge these. Wow. Alright.
We're all below the water line. We're falling quickly.
That might be the end for me.
Bullseye.
Citadel hit. Wait. Let's repair. That repair might hold me over. I don't know This is going to be iffy. Made... there it goes. Well, first outing for the New York, not too bad. I mean, it is a stock ship. I did a whole bunch of damage to 2 different cruisers, and I effectively sunk a destroyer. So, I mean, not too bad. I'm going to have to get used to the different turn rates, and also that middle turret. Maybe I'm relying on it, waiting for it to turn rather too much. So, is what it is. Anyways, thanks everybody for stopping by. Appreciate you being here. Sorry for about the video issues. And we'll chat later.